So, been working on the bus for a while, helping Jax out. Hey Sean, what are we gonna do?
We're going to Disneyland.
We're going to Disneyland.
Come back out. Yeah. It says there's only one stroller rental and it's like.
Hey, can you tell we're here in October? We're Disneyland. Mickey behind me.
Welcome to Boogie's Holiday Tricks and Games. Understand? Come on, this way.
It's out here. Let me see you.
Happy Halloween, me, Peggy.
Well, YouTube, it's day 2, and we're about to descend into madness.
Throughout your voyage, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs bienvenidos. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado.
No rocking.
Madness.
Don't rock the boat.
We don't want any projectiles coming your way.
This is all madness. Madness, I tell you. I'm pretty sure after going through this ride, the Charlie and the Chocolate Factory boat ride was based on this. Madness. Time for Mickey's Halloween party. So Main Street looks definitely different. So we did Disney for a couple days, and now we're Legoland.
Don't worry about Jeff, folks. He's been hanging there all day. I'm sure he won't let go anytime soon. You had to be expecting at least one Lego joke, right?
With the operation, you may fire when ready.
That's not a moon. I was just hanging out with my buddy Chewy. Well, YouTube, I just spent 3 days here at Disneyland. Rode on pretty much everything. Finished it off with a Grizzly Run, and I am stoked I was in that seat. So, it's been a fun little break from driving around. Back to my son's, well, I'll head out to Las Vegas again tomorrow and then back to this place. So, see you later, YouTube.